Start.
Okay. So your name is
Harshad.
Archana. And yours? Sachi. I'm Sachi. So you guys are kind of experienced runners or your first time?
She's the experienced runner. I'm on a first time.
Oh really? Wow. So you just completed what?
3K.
3K run. Along with your daughter?
They completed together. I ran alone.
Oh wow. So congratulations to all of you.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Sachi. Do you think you should have runners left at home and come there, or did you really enjoy this? Wow. And what was really fun about running?
Breakfast this way.
It's very nice. Wow. And so, I mean, this is your first time, as you said.
Yes.
So, what do you think? I mean, what will be the next step?
Many more runs.
Many more runs. And you being an experienced runner, so what is running for you?
Running is something it's like inbuilt thanks to Anil and Ali Hyderabad runners team of my own well. So I started with the Couch to 5K program, and even though I don't continue with them as such, but the thing is that he has coached all of us so nicely that it's in the mind. So as soon as I see any runner, I feel okay. As soon as I finish my work, I should go and run. So today was something different because I ran with my daughter. So it's like balancing running along with her, keeping pace with her. So it was much fun and a different experience.
Oh wow, that's great. So people are really enjoying running with, along with their families and kids. And participation of the kids, I guess, that's the major highlight. And as they said, they are really enjoying this event. So congratulations.
Breakfast this way, please. Breakfast this way.
Hi, good morning. Your name is? Hi, Dennis. So you went for 10K, 5K.
Yeah, basically I registered for 10K, but yeah, I was got late, so I just did 5K.
So you are an experienced runner?
I will not say a runner, but yeah, I do gradually go for every morning walk, like 3 to 4 kilometers. I believe that's a real stress buster. I enjoy that, and yeah, these are really good events, I believe. Yeah, and the participation was huge.
Oh, wow. That's amazing. So, do you think, I mean, sleep would have been a rather good option, or marathons like this must be arranged more and more?
I don't think so. Anybody will say that sleep cannot be a good option at all, and not just these are along with the Zumba and other things that are going on. It's just a vibrant event, and I'm sure everyone would like to attend it. So I of course will go.
So that was Nitin, and he just completed his 5K run. Congratulations, Nitin. Your name, please.
I'm Mamta Chopra.
Hi, Mamta. And that's your family along? Please come by. Your name, please.
I'm Dheeraj.
Dheeraj. And Yuvraj. Hi, Yuvraj.
My daughter is missing.
Okay, no problem. So you guys completed what, 3K?
Yeah, of course.
So 3K run, the entire family is just amazing. So what do you think, Mamta? I mean, Saturday late night party should have been a better option, or?
No, I feel this is the best option. It's a great initiative taken by the My Mom Jewel people, and because of that, we are not early risers actually. We never get up before 5:30, but they made us rise. That's a great thing, and I think everybody should be health conscious nowadays, and we should from now onwards, we should make it a habit.
So this is I mean, for all of you, the first run? It was your first run, so I
Very
mean,
excited.
Okay.
In fact, yesterday itself my son was so excited. I have to get up early, I sleep early. So early to bed, early to rise has become health.
so the entire family is following the routine, and we are really excited about it.
Not only this, many of senior citizens, one of the uncles is 1933 born, one of auntie is 1940 born. She made me do because they didn't know how to do the registration. So I did for them, and I saw them walking very nicely. They must be on the way.
Oh, wow.
So it's not only the kids, but senior citizens, everybody is so excited about it.
Yeah, so everybody is excited. And what do you think that, I mean, anybody you know, how will you motivate them for run?
I motivated around 10 to 12 people.
By registering them.
By registering them.
No, not only. I told them that yes, we are also going for the first time, and I also have never run. Let's walk, no problem. In case we are getting tired, we'll walk in their way. And I told them that there will be water and other runners will be available. So no need to run with everybody. Relax and run. We have a position.
Okay.
Our motto was to complete it.
Okay, so that's Mamta, who has pulled in the entire gang with her, and she has not only motivated herself and pushed herself, she has really gone out of her way. And
Most difficult was to
support will
motivate
you have just got it.
Most difficult part was to motivate my husband.
But I finished faster than her.
See?
Much faster.
You couldn't have realized your own potential if it was not for her, right?
He was the main man. That's it.
So that's how we are motivating people, and I guess they're really excited. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Thank
It's
you.
a good initiative. Thank you very much. Good.
Keep doing it again and again.
My name is Harish.
Harish, you have just completed
5K.
5K. So what do you think running is for you? I mean, this is your first time run or your experienced runner or what it is?
This was my first time run, and it was like family and friends run, so I felt like I should be part of that. And I'm really feeling excited about this run, and then we have completed just now, and I can see the enthusiasm in the neighbors and the friends. It's amazing. So everybody should do the run. And like nothing else matters. You should be fit, then only you can enjoy the other things. Part of the run.
So what do you think running is for you? What is it for you?
Running is like staying fit for me and to enjoy the life. That part. Breakfast this way, breakfast this way.
That was Harish who just completed his 5K run. Congratulations.
Thanks.
Hi, I'm Sandhya, and you completed your 5K run.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Sandhya. So, what was your motivation to come all the way, get up so early in the morning, kind of not going for those Saturday late night parties? What was your motivation for running?
The way I'm fit, yeah.
Okay, wow.
I want to be fit, whatever age it is. I came with my family. We all are doing Zumba, we are running, we all are having fun. We had a breakfast, awesome breakfast.
Okay.
Cheer up for you guys. You have done it very well.
Wow, that was amazing. So, Sandhya, what do you think? How will you motivate others you know for running, for more running?
Come guys, leave your bed, come run. It's great fun, pleasant weather. You guys will, for sure, you'll enjoy.
Wow, that's amazing. And what is your fitness goal? Like it's like weight loss or active lifestyle? What is it
Active
like?
lifestyle.
Active lifestyle. So Sandhya over here, she just completed her 5K run. Congratulations again, Sandhya. And she really enjoyed doing it with her kid. That's your kid's name?
Her name is Chavi. She is 6 years. I have my husband. We are all are running. And I'm hoping if my mother and father will be there, they will definitely enjoy.
Would have definitely join you guys over
Right,
here.
right.
Thank you so much, Sandhya.
Thank you.
Congratulations once again. So your name please? Jagdish Chand. And आपने अभी 5K finished किया 3K? 3K you have just finished? 3K. So Mr. Jagdish Chand, quite a inspiration for us. He just completed his 3K. Sorry. Yeah.
85 is it?
Your age please?
Age 84 plus.
84 plus. Wow, isn't that amazing? Uncle, so आपके लिए अभी क्या motivation है जिसके कारण you have come all the way for running or walking, whatever? Oh, mingling with people. That's kind of another reason why people would come to such events. Uncle, फिर और आप कैसे अभी कुछ motivational, I mean, how would you like to motivate others? आप कैसे दूसरों को motivate करेंगे running के लिए?
By seeing others running practice.
So, my home jewel में आपको लगता है कि ऐसे events और organize होने
पहले से
चाहिए?
है
हाँ।
अच्छे हैं तो एक्स्ट्रा बढ़ाया है। इसी तरह रहे तो अच्छा।
Nihal, did you participate in the marathon today? And how was the run? Nice. You completed what? 5K. Congratulations. So, this is your first time?
Second time. We ran in kids ran in Hyderabad runners. First time in MHJ.
Okay. So, yeah, we have our very first run in MHJ today, and this is your second time run, which is really great. So, do you think, sleep would have been a better option, being comfortable at home or getting up at 5:30 running? What was it?
I like the run, so I can see.
You really enjoyed it? Oh wow, that's great. So, what do you think will be your next step, participating in such events more and more? Oh wow, that's amazing. Congratulations once again. Thank you so much. Hi, your name please. And your name? Hi, Abir and Sim. You guys just completed 3K together?
Yes.
Wow, congratulations.
Thank you.
So Abir, I mean, it was fun activity for you, or you should have rather slept at home and be comfortable in your bed?
No, it was fun, but it was also very exhausting.
It was also exhausting, but at the end, did you really? Once you got the medal, was it a feeling of achievement for you? Wow, congratulations! And Sim, what is your fitness goal? I mean, it's like weight loss, active lifestyle. How is it like?
Active lifestyle.
Active lifestyle.
Weight loss used to be my goal,
Uh-huh.
but then I totally changed my viewpoint.
Uh-huh.
Now it's making lifestyle change
Uh-huh.
and stay fit for the life.
Oh, and I guess it's working for you.
Yes, definitely. We enjoyed today's run completely, and now we both want to run for 5K.
Oh
The next
wow!
time.
So the mother-son duo had just completed their 3K together. And what is it like? It's your first time run, or you have been running?
No, this is his
First time,
first.
yeah.
I usually run in the morning. I'm not very busy with the distance combination.
Okay.
I don't usually go for discipline runs.
Uh-huh.
This is my first 3K that I run, and I totally enjoy it.
Your first 3K, wow. So how do you think you will motivate others you know for running, for coming up for such events and participating in it?
Definitely, we keep talking about those events. I have friends who run 5K, 10K,
Oh wow.
and I keep spreading the word myself.
Oh wow. That's really great.
That's the only way I can do it.
Yeah, yeah.
And in the morning when I see other people running, that motivates me.
Oh wow. Yes, so that itself motivates you, and even such like these probably will motivate you further. Do you think so? Okay. Thank you so much, Sim. You would like to add something else?
No, but I'd like to thank the organizers and whoever volunteered and managed everything. It was wonderful planning.
Okay.
Those snack stops, everything was so very much planning and detailed. We love it.
Glad to hear that, Sam. Thank you so much. We are like, it was such a pleasure to have you both over here. Thanks again and congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Hi, your name please?
Ashish.
Ashish. And yours?
Vivan.
Ivan. And you? Priyanka. Okay, so all of you together completed probably 3K run? Wow, congratulations to you guys.
Thank you.
So, what was your motivation? I mean, you should have rather slept at home, be comfortable there, or you really enjoyed being here? How was it, Vivan?
Enjoyed being here.
Wow, that's amazing. You had fun? You had fun along with your friends you were running, or with Mummy Papa?
Friends are thinking.
Friends a little bit? Wow, amazing. Ashish, is it like your first time run, or you have been running?
No, actually I'm running, but in an organized run, this was for my first time.
Oh wow.
And it's very good. Actually, and amazing the way it has been organized. This is a very good thing. Because so much crowd and it has been managed properly. So hands up, guys. Very good.
Oh wow, that's amazing. So, do you think that you will be participating in such events even more now?
Yeah,
That- Now that you have the taste of this.
Yeah, definitely, definitely.
Okay. And Priyanka, I mean, whether you should have been in those Saturday late night parties, or you had fun over here? What do you think? I had fun over here. You had fun. I mean, I guess the best part is running along with your family, and especially along with your kid. I guess that was the